Tulsi or holy basil is the most sacred plant in India. Tulsi is an adaptogenic herb and also known as queen of herbs. Tulsi is like tonic for the body and mind. It is widely used in traditional medicines because of its medicinal properties. It is an antioxidant, antimicrobial, antidiabetic, and antiviral. Tulsi extract is commonly used in medicines to treat fever, headache, inflammation, or sore throat. It is also used for improving respiratory health, reducing stress and anxiety, for better digestion, boosting the immune system, and to relieve cold and cough. Use Tulsi to prepare Tulsi herbal tea. Tulsi herbal tea can be prepared with 2 to 3 ingredients which are easily available. It is caffeine free and can be safely consumed. Add 6 to 8 tulsi leaves to 2 cups of boiling water. If you don't have fresh leaves, you can also add dried leaves. If you like, you can also add turmeric, ginger, or few cloves to the boiling water. Switch off the flame and allow it to cool down. And sip this warm tulsi herbal tea with all natural ingredients. You can also add honey for its medicinal properties and to give it a sweet taste. It is best to use homegrown tulsi, which is free of pesticides and chemicals, and to get all the health benefits it has to offer. Thank you for watching this video. Like and share it, and please subscribe to our channel.